Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new to this channel, I want you to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also do well to follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section because there will be putting out one or two useful information for you guys there. The link to the Telegram channel will be found in the comment section. So go to the comment section, see the link to the Telegram channel, and follow us on Telegram. Now, let's take a look at what we'll be expecting this week on EURJPY. So let's zoom it out properly. We clearly can see this movement here. We can see it, right? This movement, let's start from here. We can see that this is the year of 2020, right? This is year we start from 2020. We enter the month of 2021, 2022, and 2023. Guess what? Only one movement has been playing out on EURJPY. Bullish move. It has been going bullish. One of the reasons is due to the fundamental. If you'll be watching, you'll be keeping an eye on this JPY fundamental. You see that interest rate is being left at negative 0.10, right? Of course, which is not good, right? Meaning there's no much investors on JPY. You all know the fundamental news, right? So when there's a very very low interest rate, we tend to see that currency fall. One of the reasons why JPY has been falling. So any pair you are trading against JPY should give you bullish. So euro to JPY is giving us bullish move. I think the interest rate for euro, if I'm not wrong, is about 5% or more, maybe 5 point something, probably 5% if I'm not wrong. And why JPY is negative 0.10, so you can see it, right? There will be more bullish move on euro to JPY. Now let's take a look at this for quick movements. So let's start with that. This is the move here, and this is the corrective wave. This is the impulse move, and here comes the corrective wave. So we can see that this is an impulse move. We can see that took out the previous highs. Within this impulse move, we can see that there is a pullback here. I will call it a pullback, not really corrective wave, because as we continue to push down, then we can see it as a corrective wave. But this is just the pullback level. And guess what? A new movement is playing out, which wants to give us a new higher highs. So that's confirmed that EURJPY is still on a bullish move. So EURJPY is looking to give us a new highs. That is it. Now let's see on this 4-hour time frame. We need to be careful at this 4-hour time frame because I have seen we are currently at this level. There is high possibility, or will I say probability, that EURJPY will fall from here. So we need to be very very careful. The market is very much likely to fall from here because of course this is a key level. We are currently at a key level here, and of course markets do react at a key level. So currently we are at this key level. We should be watchful. I believe it will push up, break and push up. But if in case it start dropping, then no problem, you can go ahead with it. If in case it start pushing up, you can go ahead with it. But the higher time frame says a new ice is very much likely to form or play out. So watch out for it and see what it does for us this week. Do not forget to follow us on Telegram. The link to the Telegram channel will be found in the comment section.